Imagine tossing your favorite gadget into space. It lasts, maybe a blink. But, some materials, the void, the heat, the pressure. Let me show you the toughest stuff on Earth, built to survive places humans can't. First, extreme heat. When spacecraft slam back through the atmosphere at 8,000 meters per second, the air turns into plasma hotter than lava. Ablative heat shields, like Pika, literally sacrifice themselves, charring layer by layer to carry heat away. On the nose, ultra-high temperature ceramics. Hafnium carbide, zirconium diboride hang on past 3,000 degrees. That's metal melts, ceramic smiles territory. Flip the thermostat. Deep space is around 270 degrees. Silica aerogel, lighter than a cloud. Traps air so well NASA wrapped Mars rovers with it. It laughs at brutal cold while barely adding weight. Radiation? Metals get brittle. Electronics glitch. So we stack shielding and use radiation-hard chips. The future is self-healing polymers. Chains that snap and stitch back together mid-mission. Think Wolverine, but for circuits. Now pressure. Dive 11 kilometers into the ocean and every square inch is hit by a small car. Titanium alloys stand firm. Sapphire windows. Yep. Lab-grown crystal. Let cameras see the abyss without cracking. On Earth, turbines rockets live where heat and stress never take lunch breaks. Nickel superalloys like Inconel keep their strength red hot. Ceramic matrix composites handle temperatures that would puddle steel. For impacts, Kevlar ultra-high molecular weight polyethylene fibers spread force so fast, bullets run out of punch. In space, micrometeoroids hit like tiny railguns. Layered shields turn that energy into dust before it reaches the cabin. Then there's graphene, one atom thick, stronger than steel, great at moving heat. It's the poster child of lighter, faster, tougher, quietly sneaking into battery sensors' heat spreaders. Here's the twist. The toughest designs aren't just tough. Materials that heal remember shapes morph under voltage, resilience on demand. So if the environment says no way, these materials say watch me. Cross deserts, dive, trenches ride fire back from space. One layer, one fiber, one atom at a time.